Hi guys, Gail Sylvester here. Who has heard of the terminology refinance? Now, in my world, that's just a typical word that we use all day, every day. And it's something that we've known forever. And since I've been in finance for the last 22 years, it's something I've always known about. What was shocking to me is that I have a client that is new to me. She came to me last year. She actually reached out to me a couple of weeks ago and said, "Yeah, what's a refinance?" I was a little blown away, not gonna lie. I assume that you know what a refinance is, but guess what? You might not either. So here's what a refinance is that you're taking your current mortgage, you're breaking the contract that you're in, and we're gonna add some debt to that. So we're gonna increase the balance based on the equity that you have in the property. So sounds kind of simple, but what is equity and what does that mean? So let's just use some easy numbers, right? So let's say when you purchased the property, it was worth 500,000 and maybe you did a mortgage for 400,000 because we had 20% down. So now based on the market, your house is worth 600,000 a year later because that's the way this market's been. So based on 600,000, I can refinance. So I can take a new mortgage up to 80% of that appraised value. So based on that, so based on a mortgage, or sorry, a property value now at 600, we're going to refinance up to 80%, which is now 480,000. And what we can do is actually take any debts that you currently have, any home improvements that you want to do. We've now got about 80,000 worth of equity that you can utilize. Of course, that's based on what you can qualify for and based on what we can get you approved for. But just know that if you are struggling with any sort of debts right now, because this has been a tough year, right? Like the last year and a half. If you have any projects that you're working on around the house that you want to finish or you want to start, because maybe you're thinking of moving, so you want to increase the value again. Or maybe you want to convert the basement to a rental suite because you want to increase the equity that you're getting, increase the cash flow that you're now getting. Use the equity to do these things. So it's going to improve many things. It'll improve the property value. It'll improve your happiness in the house. Chances are it's going to improve cash flow. And right now, interest rates are super low. So we're going to save you on interest as well. There's so many things that we can do with a refinance, but we can only do it if you understand what it is. So if you have any questions and just say, is this something that I can do? Please reach out. Whether you email me or give me a call, either which way, send me a DM, whatever, we're available. I've got a team here that's going to help you along with myself. So any questions about a refinance, reach out. We're here to help. We'll talk to you soon.